Your 20s can be one of the most exciting times of your life. New experiences, new jobs, and, let's be honest, new challenges with money. But don't worry. With a little planning, you can set yourself up for a bright financial future. Here are 5 simple and essential tips for financial planning in your 20s that anyone can follow. Tip 1. Start budgeting early. One of the first steps towards financial freedom is budgeting. It may sound boring, but creating a budget is actually super empowering. It helps you understand where your money goes each month. Start by listing your income and your monthly expenses, such as rent, groceries, transportation, and entertainment. This way, you can easily see how much you're spending and where you can cut back. Pro tip: use a budgeting app like Mint or an app to make tracking your expenses simple and stress-free. Tip 2. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can pop up anytime. That's why having an emergency fund is so important. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This way, you'll have a cushion if you lose your job, face medical expenses, or need urgent car repairs. Don't worry if you can't save a lot at once. Start small, even if it's just $20 a week. It will add up faster than you think. Tip 3. Pay off high-interest debt. First, high-interest debt, like credit card debt, can be a financial trap if you're not careful. It can take a huge bite out of your income each month. So, make it a priority to pay off high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Start with the debt that has the highest interest rate and work your way down. The faster you get rid of this debt, the sooner you'll have more money to put towards your savings and investments. Tip 4. Start investing early. The earlier you start investing, the better. Thanks to the power of compound interest, even small investments can grow significantly over time. You don't need a lot of money to begin. Apps like Robinhood or Acorns let you start investing with just a few dollars. Remember, investing isn't just about making quick money. It's about growing your wealth slowly and steadily over time. Tip 5. Learn about financial literacy. The best investment you can make is in your own education. The more you know about money, the better decisions you'll make. Take time to learn about basic financial concepts like saving, investing, credit, and retirement planning. There are plenty of free resources, from YouTube channels like ours to blogs, podcasts, and even free online courses. By educating yourself, you're setting the stage for financial success not just in your 20s, but for the rest of your life. Your 20s are the perfect time to start building good financial habits. By following these 5 simple tips: budgeting, saving, paying off debt, investing, and learning, you'll be well on your way to a secure and stress-free financial future. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more personal finance content. Let's take control of our financial futures together.